get my sick ball. I'm so dehydrated. I was like this since last night. I've only been sick. I've been sick 3 times. I haven't been sick like an hour now. If it was a bug, right? If it was a bug, I'd be sick right now. But I'm fine to do a video. Absolutely fine. By the way, I'm not here on my own, but I am going to be very soon. My relationship, and basically the time is 32 past 11, and my friends are at school. It's Thursday, the 30th of November, but I can't wait until tomorrow, because it's going to be 1st December, and can't wait to open our Christmas calendars, get some like Smiggle, whatever calendar you freaking have. I am so bored. I'm here all alone. I'll see you guys in